Hey everyone! Get ready to upgrade your ride with 20 must-have bike accessories in the early Amazon Black Friday deals for 2025, with up to 50% off. From smart tech and safety gear to comfort boosters and essential tools, we've got everything to take your cycling experience to the next level. Stick around until the end because some of these deals are absolutely insane, and you won't want to miss a single one. Let's ride! Number 1. Schwinn Thrasher Helmet. Tired of bulky helmets that ruin your ride? The Schwinn Thrasher Helmet is the perfect solution. Made with a lightweight ABS shell and ventilated foam, it keeps your head cool while providing maximum protection. Adjustable straps ensure a snug, custom fit for all head sizes. Stylish, comfortable, and secure, it's perfect for city commutes or weekend trails. Don't compromise on safety or style. This helmet makes every ride safer and way more enjoyable. Number 2. Bike lights for night riding. Riding after dark can be dangerous. Bike lights for night riding solve that problem with ultra-bright LED beams and multiple flashing modes for maximum visibility. Rechargeable and waterproof, they perform perfectly in rain or fog. Easy to mount on any handlebar, these lights keep you safe while illuminating your path. Ride confidently at night without worrying about cars or obstacles. Visibility, safety, and peace of mind are just one click away. Number 3. Sportneer Bike Lock. Worried about leaving your bike unattended? The Sportneer Bike Lock keeps it secure. Made from hardened steel, it resists cutting, sawing, and prying. Flexible yet durable, it wraps around your bike frame and posts effortlessly. Compact and lightweight for easy transport, it ensures your bike stays protected wherever you park. Ride without stress and leave your bike worry-free. A reliable lock is a must-have for every cyclist. Number 4. Topeak JoeBlow Sport 3 High-Pressure Bike Floor. Pump flat tires are a nightmare mid-ride. The Topeak JoeBlow Sport 3 inflates tires fast and easily with high-pressure efficiency. Its sturdy steel construction and ergonomic handle make pumping effortless. Dual-head design works with both Presta and Schrader valves. Compact yet powerful, it ensures smooth, safe rides every time. Say goodbye to roadside tire problems and hello to worry-free cycling. Keep it in your garage or bring it along for long trips. Number 5. VUP Bike Phone Mount. Struggling to navigate while riding? The VUP Bike Phone Mount keeps your phone secure and visible. With 360-degree rotation and shock-proof design, it holds your phone steady on any terrain. Durable ABS and silicone materials prevent slips and vibration. Use GPS, track your ride, or listen to music hands-free. Easy to install, it keeps your phone accessible without risk. Ride safely, stay connected, and never miss a turn with this smart accessory. Number 6. ROCKBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder. Thirsty mid-ride? The ROCKBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder makes hydration simple. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it's durable and sturdy. Flexible grip keeps your bottle secure even on bumpy trails. Quick access lets you drink without stopping. Perfect for long commutes, intense training, or weekend adventures, it ensures you stay refreshed and energized. Hydrate faster, ride stronger, and keep your focus on the road ahead. Number 7. Bike Repair Kit. Mechanical issues can ruin a ride. The Bike Repair Kit has everything you need, from multi-tools and tire levers to patches and mini pumps. Compact, portable, and easy to store in your saddlebag, it handles flats, loose bolts, and chain problems. Ideal for casual riders and cycling enthusiasts alike, this kit ensures you're prepared for any mishap. Don't let a breakdown stop you. Ride with confidence knowing you've got the right tools at hand. Number 8. Hiboy Bag for Bike. Need extra storage without bulk? The Hiboy Bike Bag keeps your essentials safe. Made from water-resistant fabric, it stores your phone, keys, and snacks securely. Simple to attach to handlebars or the frame, it balances weight perfectly and won't sway. Sleek, functional, and durable, it's ideal for commuting, errands, or long rides. Carry what you need without a backpack and keep your hands free for a safer, more comfortable cycling experience. Number 9. BSSOK Bike Bell or Horn. Alerting pedestrians and vehicles is essential. The BSSOK Bike Bell or Horn delivers loud, crisp sound at a single press. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and easy to mount, it fits almost any handlebar. Its modern design combines style and safety, making you noticeable on busy streets or trails. Perfect for urban commuting or group rides, it ensures you're heard without shouting. Stay safe, courteous, and stylish every ride with this essential accessory. Number 10. Hafny Bar Mirror. Worried about blind spots? The Hafny Bar Mirror keeps you aware of traffic behind. With convex glass and an adjustable mount, it offers a clear, wide view. Durable and vibration resistant, it stays in place on bumpy roads. Ideal for city streets or high-speed trails, it enhances safety and confidence. Keep your focus forward while knowing exactly what's behind you. Small but powerful, this mirror is a must-have for every cyclist looking for smarter rides. Number 11. Onforu Bicycle Speaker. Want music while riding? The Onforu Bicycle Speaker delivers crystal clear sound and powerful bass. Waterproof and shockproof, it handles rain, sweat, and bumps effortlessly. Quick to mount on any bike frame and pairs easily with phones. Perfect for solo rides or group adventures, it keeps energy high and vibes positive. Turn your cycling sessions into a moving concert and enjoy every pedal with music by your side. Number 12. LIQING Bike Basket. Front need to carry groceries or gear? The LIQING front bike basket is perfect. Constructed from lightweight metal mesh, it's sturdy and easy to install or remove. Generous size holds bags, food, or small pets securely. Stable design prevents wobbling, even on bumpy roads. Ideal for commuting, errands, or casual rides, it adds practicality without sacrificing style. Transform your bike into a reliable transport companion and never leave essentials behind. Number 13. iGPSPORT GPS Bike Computer. Lost on trails or curious about your stats? The iGPSPORT GPS Bike Computer tracks speed, distance, route, and calories in real time. Lightweight, waterproof, and durable, it handles all conditions. Its clear screen and intuitive interface keep you informed without distraction. Perfect for casual and competitive cyclists, it enhances efficiency and safety. Ride smarter, train better, and navigate confidently with this high-tech cycling companion. Number 14. Zacro Bike Seat. Cushion sore on long rides? The Zacro Bike Seat cushion offers gel-padded comfort to reduce hip and tailbone pressure. Breathable, waterproof material keeps you cool and dry. Easy to install on any saddle, it improves posture and ride quality instantly. Perfect for commuting, fitness, or weekend adventures, it transforms uncomfortable rides into smooth, enjoyable experiences. Comfort meets performance. Make every ride pain-free and fun with this must-have seat upgrade. Number 15. Electric Air Pump. Inflating tires manually is exhausting. The electric air pump handles it effortlessly. With high pressure output and multiple nozzle attachments, it works for bike tires, sports balls, and more. Portable and lightweight, it's easy to carry on trips or rides. Fast, precise, and reliable, it saves time and energy. Keep your tires perfectly inflated without strain, ensuring smooth, safe rides every time. Say goodbye to sore arms and hello to instant inflation convenience. Number 16. Bike Frame Bag. Need storage that doesn't interfere with your ride? The Bike Frame Bag fits snugly inside the bike triangle. Made from water-resistant, durable material, it holds tools, snacks, or small essentials. Zipper design provides easy access while keeping items secure. Streamlined shape won't affect pedals or balance. Perfect for long rides or commuting, it keeps necessities organized and within reach. Ride smarter and lighter with this efficient, compact storage solution. Number 17. Bike Water Bottle. Hydration is key to performance. The Bike Water Bottle combines durability and leak-proof convenience. Made from BPA-free materials, it fits standard holders and keeps liquids cool. Easy to drink from while pedaling, it's perfect for long rides, intense workouts, or hot days. Stay refreshed, avoid dehydration, and maintain peak performance. A simple accessory that makes every ride more comfortable and efficient. Your ultimate hydration partner on the go. Number 18. Besudo Bike Cover. Protect your bike from the elements with the Besudo Bike Cover. Lightweight yet tough, it shields against rain, dust, and UV rays. Tear-resistant and waterproof, it keeps your bike clean and dry during storage or transport. Elastic hems ensure a snug fit on any frame. Perfect for commuters or outdoor enthusiasts, it preserves your bike's condition and extends its lifespan. Keep your ride ready for action with this essential protective accessory. Number 19. KEMIMOTO UTV. Whip Mount Flag. Increase visibility on trails or off-road rides with the KEMIMOTO UTV. Whip Mount Flag. Constructed from durable fiberglass and bright colors, it stands tall and remains visible from a distance. Easy to install, flexible, and resilient. It resists bumps and twists. Ideal for deserts, dunes, or crowded trails, it ensures safety and style. Ride boldly, stay noticed, and enjoy every adventure with this vibrant and practical visibility accessory. Number 20. Bicycle Rear View Camera. Worried about traffic or blind spots? The Bicycle Rear View Camera keeps you informed. With a wide-angle lens, real-time display, and waterproof design, it's perfect for urban streets or countryside rides. Quick to mount and simple to use, it enhances awareness and confidence. Ride safer and smarter while monitoring everything behind you. This high-tech gadget acts like an extra pair of eyes, making it a game-changer for daily commutes and adventurous rides alike. And there you have it, 20 epic bike accessories you don't want to miss this Black Friday on Amazon. From safety gear and smart tech to comfort boosters, these deals are too good to pass up. Hit like, subscribe, and check the description for links so you can grab these insane deals before they're gone. Upgrade your ride, ride smarter, and enjoy every adventure on two wheels.